Hey guys, Dustin here at T Performance. I'm the transmission department manager here, and I wanted to introduce you to our Signature Series TKX transmission. For one, the TKX is the most popular 5-speed swap transmission on the market today. It's a very compact transmission and going to fit in most transmission tunnels without any cutting, and the weight difference that it provides is a really lightweight transmission compared to most. And with our upgrades that we've done, is that much more durable. We've built it to hold more power. They're already rated 600 from Tremec, but we went in and did a full carbon blocker ring set. We're going to do a cryogenic treatment and micropolish treatment that we do here in-house, and it will come equipped with one of our TKX revolver lock shifters. The cryogenic treatment is a deep freeze hardening of the material, and that's going to prolong the longevity of the gear set, and overall strength is the main benefit there. Our micropolish treatment that we do, there's a ton of benefits there. It's one of my favorite things that we do in-house. It's going to provide for a much smoother surface on all the materials. It's going to provide for better gear mesh overall. Longevity of the internals is going to go a long way because of this process, and it's definitely one of my favorite things we do here. Another benefit that it offers is oil viscosity, better oiling overall. As you can see here, you can see how the surface has changed with micropolish and the benefits that it gives there. Compared to a stock gear, it's a very noticeable difference. One of the main things that we're going to do in this upgrade is upgrading the blocker rings to our carbon fiber set, and that is the complete transmission, getting those stock blocker rings out there and putting a full carbon blocker set in. And that's what's going to up your strength, longevity in the long run. We do that to all our builds here, and it's definitely going to be included in this as well. It does provide for better, smoother shifting. They need a break-in period, just like any of the other builds we do, but the long-term benefits of the blocker ring upgrade to carbon fiber is tenfold compared to the stock blocker rings. And in case you guys don't know, blocker rings are what's inside on the Synchro that actually slow down to have good gear mesh. The carbon fiber material is a whole lot stronger, longer lasting, very common upgrade, very crucial upgrade, and we're definitely going to include that. One other thing that we're going to do is we're going to include our 96 position revolver lock shifter. It's going to incorporate the 3-inch, 2-inch, or 1-inch offset. So that's going to make you swap guys very convenient to get the correct shifter location that you're looking for. And also with this, the stock Tremec TKX shifter will be included. You pay for it, you're going to get it, but you're also going to get our revolver lock as well. And with this build, we're definitely going to include our fluid. We use the Schaefer's brand All-Trans Supreme here. That we use in all of our builds, and we're definitely going to include it with this as well. So you'll have what you need for fluid with us. Last but certainly not least is the powder coat that we're going to do on this transmission. It's going to be a midnight blue. Looks really good in the light, very durable, going to last for a long time. Really makes this transmission pop and look well.